ESP is a company that integrates research and development, production, and sales, focusing on the fields of laser cutting machines, laser welding machines, intelligent and automated equipment, and possessing advanced technological capabilities. The factory is located in Jinan, Shandong, China. As an important laser base in China, Jinan has a complete industrial chain and complete supporting resources. Our technical team consists of dozens of senior experts and engineers who have extensive practical experience in the field of lasers. With continuous innovation and strict requirements for quality, we are committed to providing efficient, stable, and cutting-edge laser solutions to global customers, meeting the diverse needs of different industries. Our laser cutting machine series products are in a leading position in the industry. These devices are capable of accurately cutting various materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, copper, etc. Whether it is thin plate processing or thick plate processing, our cutting machines can provide extremely high cutting accuracy and smooth edges without the need for secondary processing. Laser cutting machines can not only improve processing speed and significantly shorten production cycles, but also reduce material waste and further lower production costs. In the field of welding equipment, our handheld laser welding machine can not only perform high-precision welding, but also has cutting and cleaning functions, making it versatile and helping customers handle various production needs with ease. Our welding machine supports the processing of various metal materials, including steel, stainless steel, aluminum, etc., ensuring that every welding is stable and aesthetically pleasing. Over the years of development, we have won the trust of global customers through continuous technological innovation and strict control over product quality. As a leading provider of laser intelligent equipment services, we are always committed to technological innovation and quality improvement to meet the diverse needs of our customers. We look forward to working with you to create a more efficient and precise processing future together.